Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So Generations actress Letoya Makhene has been exposed to be a fake sangoma who charges 50,000 rands excluding herbs, medicine and animals for rituals. The entire sangoma thing is a lie. So Letoya's ex-wife highlighted that the gobela that initiated there died before she completed anything. Is the ex-wife jealous? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about her running to bloggers with all the stories. So besides their ex-label, there are two young initiate sangomas who came forward with their story saying they started their training with Letoya and they didn't complete because she abandoned them. The initiates paid 20,000 deposit and they are pleading to be released and get help in finding a new gobela. Her ex-label is a Christian and was against all the spiritual calling. I have seen them like doing rituals and stuff on Facebook. If you check Letoya's Facebook page, I don't know now she's saying she's against all this. Wasn't she aware that she was a sangoma before they got married? I think she's just running with the stories because of the breakup. I don't know if it's true or not. Let me know in the comment section. So Letoya also struggles. She's saying she struggles with alcoholism, and this has caused her to be not serious with her calling, and she doesn't admit that she's got an alcohol problem. And Letoya has distanced herself from all this, and she has decided to focus on her music career, and she said she's not going to comment on all this. And if you notice her Instagram page, she took down all the pictures of herself and Libo, but on Facebook they're still there. So I don't know why she's keeping the Facebook ones and not she deleted all the ones that are on Instagram. I don't know why she did that, of which on Facebook she has 1.5 million followers and on Instagram she has 800 something thousand. So she's big on Instagram, on Facebook than on Instagram. So let me know what you guys think about the breakup and the ex talking about all those things. And then the initiates also highlighted that she didn't say she's going to move from the house that they know. They were used to going there. Now they are stranded. They don't even know where she's staying. The bad part, after paying a deposit of 20,000. And it's being said that she didn't finish. The ex-wife is saying she didn't finish. She knows nothing about all this thing of being a sangoma and stuff. After all, she says she charges 50,000, which is a lot of money for her to just abandon people. Let me know in the comment section below. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.